Celebrating the 137th edition of the International Labour Day in Bamenda, the staff of the Northwest Regional Assembly massively took part in the celebrations at the Bamenda Ceremonial Ground on Monday, May 1, 2023.
The Regional Assembly represents the people of the region. We stand here with the people of the region to say thank you for the work done. We thank all workers in all sectors. This actually aligns with the vision of the President of the Regional Assembly, where we are there to listen, to learn, and to take action on behalf of the people.
Since the establishment of the Northwest Regional Assembly, this was the first time that the House was participating in a public event.
The Regional Assembly is that institution that actually preaches about peace, love, unity, and togetherness. We are celebrating the Labour Day. That is the first of its kind since this institution was created, and I think anybody who was down at the Commercial Avenue will actually see within lines that the Regional Assembly is that institution that is out to bring in real change for the Northwest region, where everybody is counted and everybody matters.
While celebrating this year's edition of the Labour Day, the Northwest Regional Assembly re-echoed their mission of rebranding the Northwest region through economic empowerment for a healthy, skilled, ambition, and responsible citizenship, and the re-establishment of traditional authority, cultural values, and heritage in an enabling environment. The Northwest Regional Assembly is headed by level-headed Professor Fru Angwafo III, who is determined to see that the Northwest region enjoy the best, given that the House is for the interests of the population.